Pag sabay-sabay, nakakaiyak.
Okay.
Ha?
Ba't ka naluha-luha?
Alam mo yung paminsan-minsan nakakagawa ka ng pelikulang maganda. Kasi sincere lang sa mensaheng gustong ipalabas. Walang super high drama, walang hysterics. It's just telling a story
Right.
that all of us can relate because all of us are capable of loving and losing a love.
Chris, ikaw ba't ka naiyak? Sinulat mo na nga ito, naiyak ka pa rin.
Yung bato kasi nung linya eh. Yung bato ng linya ni Yongge, bato ng linya nilang lahat, Sanjo, ni Solen.
Right.
Hindi sinusulat mo, syempre sinusulat mo lang, pero pag nakikita mo na binabitawan na nila yung lines, parang ang sakit pala
Mas
talaga.
nagkakaroon ng buhay
Yes.
no? Yung mga
Sakit.
linya. Having, andun na tayo sa topic na to, Chris. Anong nauna? Cast o kwento?
Kwento. At tagal na po namin balak to si Attorney Joji. 3 ba 2? 3 years na gusto gumawa ni Attorney Joji ng pelikula tungkol sa annulment. So, matagal na proseso yung pinagdaanan. So finally, ito na siya. Dream project niya talaga to. Gusto talagang i-pursue tong topic na to.
The title pa lang no? Parang unmarried, alam mo na kaagad na annulment yung topic. Pero aside from that, are there any other issues na tatalakayin ng unmarried?
Yung issue meaning legal,
Yeah.
ano,
Is it annulment or divorce?
annulment.
Annulment.
Annulment. Kasi wala naman talaga tayong divorce sa Pilipinas. So, annulment talaga.
But will this movie push for it?
Walang ganon.
Wala.
Wala namang ganon. Walang ganong, hindi naman niya piniprescribe na magpa-annul kayo, fight for divorce. Walang ganon. So, napaka-fair nung depiction ng annulment and marriage and family dito sa Pintuan. It's really, balancing.
Okay. Z, Angelica, nung nakita niyo yung script na offer sa inyo yung movie na annulment ang topic, how did you react?
Sabi nga ni Direk Chris, hindi naman pinupush nung movie yung annulment na parang pag napanood mo or nabasa mo, gaganahan kang gawin yun.
Okay.
Hindi siya ganun.
Okay.
Nagkukwento lang siya. And yung kwento ng buhay ni Celine at ni Ivan, doon talaga siya napunta. So, tulad dun sinabi ko dun sa The Making, nung nabasa ko, para siyang calling na parang kailangan kung sa akin to binibigay, feeling ko kailangan ko tong panindigan, kailangan ko maging boses ng mga babae na, or kahit na sino na may pinagdadaanan ng freedom nila.
Okay.
Kasi naniniwala ako na ang freedom deserve nating lahat kapag hinihingi na talaga ng pagkatao mo, di ba?
Z?
Nung umpisa, syempre, parang annulment, marami na tayong istorya na napanood na about hiwalayan, di ba? Pero nung nalaman ko na ang istorya, hindi kami mag-asawa ni Angelica, na-excite ako kasi parang bago. So, parang makaka-relate yung tao, hindi lang sa isang couple. Kumbaga, sa lahat ng characters, yung pinagdadaanan ko na hinihiwalayan at yung pinagdadaanan ni Angelica na nakikipaghiwalay. At syempre, yung mga anak na maapektuhan, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa project. Lalo na ngayon na may sarili na akong pamilya, alam kong mas magagawa ko siya ng natural.
Yes.
Ng natural. Hindi na ako manghuhula kung ano nararamdaman ng isang tatay or asawa.
Direct Chef.
May I add to that? The film may be about annulment, but it doesn't undermine the value of marriage.
Okay.
So hindi sinisiraan yung annulment. Ay, sinisiraan yung marriage.
Pagsasama. Oo. Ang galing nga kasi noong una, yung teaser na lumabas, parang akala namin, kayong dalawa ang mag-unmarry, yung pala, magkaiba kayo ng relationship. Okay, let's open the floor for questions. Sino pong gusto unang magtanong? We have microphone set up. At si James, lalapit din sa inyo to hand you the microphone kung gusto niyo pong magtanong. Who wants to go first? Tita Aster! Ayun, si Tita Aster ang gusto ko na magtanong. Abot lang natin kay Tita Aster yung microphone. 1 second, Tita.
Thank you. Unang-una, I'd like to congratulate everyone, including the producers, attorney, congrats, at saka si Direk and Chris for doing such a beautiful family drama. Actually, trailer pa lang nakakaantig na eh. Sobrang mabigat na, may dating na sa amin. Unang-una, ito muna, siguro si Sanjo at saka si Angelica. I think everyone siguro in the cast will be able to relate to the movie. Kasi this is not just about annulment or getting separated. Kasi halos lahat kayo, if not all, nakaranas ng hiwalayan. Diba? Tama ba ang ano ko? So, like what Sanju said, nakaka-relate ka na ngayon because you're already a family man. You're a father, di ba? Likewise with Angelica. Kakaiba kasi nga ang tema ng pelikulang to. So, nagkaroon pa ba ng pagbabaan ng preparasyon to portray your respective roles o talagang ibinasa na lang sa script kung ano binigay sa inyo?
Both, of course, may preparation dahil kailangan mong kilalanin yung character. But, yung naging mapalad ako dahil halos yung bumubuo ng pelikula, nakatrabaho ko na silang lahat sa mga projects ko noon. So, kahit pa paano naging confident ako na alam kong mas magiging madali yung proseso ko dahil kilalang kilala na namin yung isa't isa. Alam ko kung paano i-approach si Direk Chris nung umpisa pa lang dun sa script, na baka pwedeng may mas ganito siguro, baka mas lagyan ng ganitong texture pa yung character. Kasi of course, nung binigay na sa akin yung character, may inputs na rin ako, may mga gusto na rin akong mangyari na baka mas magiging mag-work, ganyan. And of course, nung si Zanjo yung leading man, pangilang project na namin to ni Z, and ang tagal-tagal namin nagsama from Banana Sunday, lahat yata ng genre na pagsamahan na namin. Yes, parang lahat. So parang sobrang komportable namin sa isa't isa. But yung preparation, naging madali talaga siya. And base kasi sa script, actually hindi ko siya nakikita na pinaglalaban yung annulment. Ang nakikita ko talaga, ang pinaglalaban niya is finding herself, finding her voice, and loving herself. Na yun yung gusto kong mag-mirror sa mga tao. Na napaka-importante kapag natutunan mo ng mahalin yung sarili mo, magkakaboses ka.
Very well said, Sans.
Sa preparation ko naman, siguro dito sa Mary, na hindi katulad ng usual na ginagawa ko sa mga ibang projects. Nung nabasa ko yung script, nag-focus ako sa character ko, sa hair. Ang haba ng buhok ko dun eh. Di ba dati pag flashback, doon ka mag-wig dito. Present ako naka-wig. Mas nag-focus ako sa emotion dun sa kay Zach and kay Solen. Dun sa family ko talaga. Na mas doon ako nag-aral, mas pinag-aralan ko yung pinagdadaanan ng character ni Ivan pag ganitong nasa kalagitnaan ng annulment na iniiwan ka ng pamilya mo. More than dun sa kahit na ang main plot is yung character ni Angelica at saka sa akin. Kasi parang sabi ko, sige, sa shoot ko na lang titingnan kung ano magiging chemistry or magiging ano nung character ni Ivan and Celine. Kasi total, sa movie naman, first time lang nila mag-meet. So mas nag-focus, gusto para mag-build up siya ng natural. Hindi ko na siya pinag-aralan kung paano mag-work yung eksena namin ni Angelica. Mas nag-focus ako sa emotion ko doon sa pamilya ko. Kasi yun yung mas para sa akin na yun, mas importante.
Thank you. Can I extend the same question kina Nico and the rest of the cast? Kahit kina Direk siguro, at saka si Chris.
In my preparation for my role as Attorney Willie, naging madali siya yung transition because I was preparing for the bar. So, medyo malapit sa ginagawa ko yung role. And at the same time, I'm also a child of an annulment. So, medyo alam ko yung pakiramdam, what's going through, the process of annulment. Ayun.
Ito, experienceado.
Yeah.
For me, actually, for Steven, mas nakaka-relate ako sa character ni Celine. Tsaka ni Ivan eh. Kaya playing Steven, who is written to be very hateable. Kasi ano, parang ako nagbabalancing act na sa akin na lang, I try to approach it in a way na this is still a human being. Even though I don't agree or I don't condone, I don't wanna give him a pass for how he expresses himself, kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya sa pelikula. I wanted to understand why. And sa akin, parang na-realize ko, yung driving force talaga ni Steven is fear. Fear and insecurity. Just holding on to that image na nagiging mali na yung kung paano niya hinahandle, yung pagpapakita niya ng love niya na yun. And if I can actually answer the first question then, why I accept it. Kasi yun nga, it's a very sensitive topic for me then. Pero even just reading the script and knowing that annulment wasn't a gimmick in the film. Hindi siya yung, oh, let's do a film about annulment. Ito, parang gimmick siya. It's just so happens to be a story that revolves around annulment, which is a very, parang, a story that happens a lot here sa Philippines. It's very messy, talagang magulo siya, time-consuming talaga. Yung iba nga, parang decades, hindi pa rin nag-grant. Kaya in a way, I felt, sorry, I don't know if I can share, very fortunate na for my own situation, dahil dual citizen ako, I was lucky enough to get the chance to go through a divorce, which was relatively quicker. So in a way, I know it's not an advocacy film, it's just it's a family drama that just revolves around it. But if it can open some people's eyes then to the limits of our legal system when it comes to annulment, na maybe for those, because any relationship that ends is very painful for everyone involved. Pero relationships that must end, yung andun na talaga sa dulo, yung sinasabi na ni Angelica na freedom is deserved na and needed. Sana there's an easier way to achieve that. Kaya I was very eager to accept the role.
Thank you.
Maupay nga kulog na yun.
Maupay yung kulog. Salamat, Tom Kabayan.
Okay?
I don't know, si Uge
Baka
muna.
si Zach. Zach, ikaw may experience ka na ba sa
Experienceado din to.
marriage and annulment?
I have.
Ano ba? You have? Ayaw nga pala.
Back to you, okay?
Back to me.
Relate ka ba sa tinanong ko, Zach?
Okay, so the way I prepared for this, this is my first project, so I kind of got shocked when my wowa or lola told me that, okay, you're gonna be acting for this. I'm like, what? I didn't know. So I had to prepare, and realizing that Elio was sad, I think I realized that his main emotion was misunderstanding, and having to get to this role was, I wouldn't say easy, but I also wouldn't say hard, because I've had my own experiences too. So yeah, I'd say having to play this role was an honor and was also fun.
Can you explain further ano yung experience na pinagdaanan mo for us to understand more?
So
What you can share lang, Zach. I know it's very personal, no? Parang what you lang can share. You don't have to tell everything.
So basically, like, I'm trying to remember. So I used to live in Dumaguete, kind of far from Bacolod, but Bacolod's technically my hometown, where I was born. And then my dad and my mom kind of separated, but they still remain friends. So yeah.
Okay. Okay yun, Tita Aster.
Okay na yaw, and now we understand. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's go to Eugene. Back to you, okay? Are you also from ano?
Hindi, alam mo talagang mababaw talaga ang
Luha.
luha ko ngayon. Kasi menopause na ako. Nakakaloka. Susunod na pelikula nga pala yung tukol naman sa menopause. Ngayon na. Nakakaloka. Anyway, sa point naman na to, I'm so happily married. I just got married. I'm married twice, but I'm a late bloomer. So I cannot imagine myself to reach that point na magpapa-anal. It's very painful, just the idea, because you invested a lot of emotions. But anyway, speaking of my role is Attorney Jackie, and I'm the tool so that maipresent namin ang pinagdadaanan ng gustong magpa-annul. So, as Attorney Jackie, ako ang magpipresenta. Ito yung mga proseso. At sa opisina ko, magkikita itong dalawang ito. And so, the situations are maybe familiar to all of us na parang pumupunta sa mga, alam mo na, sa mga agencies na kailangan ng mga assistance sa legal procedures. The situations can be funny. And I'm very thankful to Direk Jeff and to Chris because they wrote very funny scenes but are not pushing. It's just real and familiar and very Filipino and funny, and it's really happening. So, to balance off everything.
Right.
So, Direk Jeff, thank you for this opportunity because, you know, we might be forgetting. Direk Jeff is one of the awarded directors and his films are known internationally. So it's an honor to be working with you again. I really like how you give us the freedom to interpret our roles but not going overboard. And I really appreciate the tone of our movie, which is very sincere.
Tita?
I'd like to ask Chris. Chris, saan mo ito hinugot?